Thank you, sir. Bangalore. Hi, it's around 9:15 p.m. here in Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar, and I just finished a 1,000 kilometer ride from Bangalore, day one. I left at 4:30 in the morning, and now I'm here. Slightly tired, but deeply contented with the ride. It's not like I've not done any long rides. I've done a lot of long rides before, but this one felt different. It wasn't just about reaching destination. It was about showing up for myself. I was drenched in rain and my gears were all muddy. So I've upgraded to a private room in the beautiful Zostel in Aurangabad. So here is how my day went. Good morning, everyone. This is how my bike is looking, all geared up. Time is 3:39 a.m. on a Sunday morning and ready to start. 4:30 a.m. Bangalore was asleep. The roads were empty and the sky still dark, people still sleeping. There's something spiritual, sacred about starting early. It's like sneaking past the noise of the world before it wakes up. And the V-Storm purred. The engine was smooth as butter beneath me, and it felt steady like a trusted companion ready for something big. There is a saying I've come to live by: if you don't use it, you'll lose it. That applies to our bodies, our dreams, even to our spirit. Life gets busy: work, office, commutes, family, bills, kids, it all stacks up. But there is a cost to comfort, and sometimes the only way to reconnect with yourself is to do something slightly mad, slightly crazy, slightly discomforting, slightly rewarding, like riding across the country on a motorcycle. So, this is how my day one unfolded. Finally, the sun rose somewhere between Tumkur and Chitradurga, orange light spilling over the fields. Through Chitradurga and its wind farms, the wind was so strong, but so was my clarity. This was no longer just a ride for me, it was a healing, it was a moving meditation. Me inside my helmet, and the road, and the bike as if it's an extension of my body. Thoughts came and went. No notifications, no emails, no calls, no meetings, just pure motion. I have done about 500 kilometers, and surprisingly, I'm not tired. The back is doing all right, shoulders are okay, my legs, knees, everything looks in place, intact. And the sun had started to blaze, but although the weather looks beautiful, it's as if the weather gods have decided to keep it cloudy and cool for me, with temperature hovering between 28, 29 degrees and slightly cloudy, breezy day. It was a smooth ride. I was riding through the fields and farms and windmills between Chitradurga and Hospet, and I had no idea when I crossed Hospet. The Tungabhadra river was mesmerizing on the Hampi Express highway. Even if I was feeling tired, which I wasn't, but I would have loved it because discomfort is honest. We spend our lives avoiding pain, but sometimes pain is the proof that you're doing something worthwhile.
So I'm about 220 kilometers away from Sambhajinagar, and this is how the bike is looking after the rain. It's completely dirty now. Look at this. Completely dirty.
And near Vijayapura, I stopped for water. A small group walked up, curious about the bike, the luggage, and ride. They asked, "Why are you doing what you're doing and where are you going?" And I said, "Spiti." And they just smiled. And one man shook my hand and said, "Ride safe."
Okay, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, sir, thank you, thank you, sir, thank you.
And it wasn't even the same language we were talking, but it didn't matter. Sometimes humanity speaks in nods and smiles. It's amazing how body language works. And as the sun dipped low, I was closing in on Sambhajinagar, 800 kilometers behind me. And there were moments when I wanted to stop earlier, but the body can go further than the mind believes, so I kept riding. And I reached Zostel just about after 8:30 p.m. Parked the bike, took a deep breath. I wasn't exhausted. I was fulfilled.
There's already some party happening at the hostel is, and finally I reached the hostel where I am going to be staying for the night. Let's look at some numbers. I completed 9,000 kilometers and I still have range left for about 482 more kilometers. So that's good mileage. See you once I check in.
If this journey speaks to something inside you, subscribe. Ride with me. Not just through places or roads or people, but ride through with me on thoughts, emotions, and meaning. Day two will take us a lot more farther, but also deeper. Until then, ride safe, stay uncomfortable, and do whatever those things that keep you alive. See you around until next ride.